Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Bronco Sport in a Big Bend trim and powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with obvious four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have a pretty spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. You have these tie-down points here with little lassos on them. You've got this button here to engage your articulatable lights on your hatch, and underneath here you have your full-size spare with some extra room around it for other stuff, as well as a 12-volt power outlet right there. And then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with a partial cloth and partial like wetsuit vinyl material, and in the middle you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as a USB and USB-C down there. And on the backs of the seats you have zippered pockets, as well as molly rigging that you can hook equipment onto. This vehicle also has a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your information, trip information, my view with a digital speedometer, driver assistance features and settings. You are now playing, phone controls. And then moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as having your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system assist on the end of your signal stock. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have plenty of options there. Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you can see where you're going. Moving down, you have your media controls here with your auto start stop shut off button and your hazards, and a little cubby here. Then you have your climate controls here with heated front seats, so you can stay cozy. Moving down, you have this cubby area here with a wireless charging pad, so if your phone's compatible, throw it on there to charge. You have a 12-volt USB and USB-C there as well, so you can plug something into power or charge. Then you have your main shifter here on a dial, very convenient, easy to use. Parking brake, brake hold, two cup holders, and your GOAT mode selector here for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then you have your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious with another USB and USB-C inside. And last but not least, you do have a power moonroof up top so you can land in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. Now, if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.